Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix HBO Max not opening. If your HBO Max application isn't opening up, then you could try following these steps. First thing first, you want to check for an update. So head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in Spotify Max. You want to type in HBO Max. When you locate the following application, you want to look for it and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. And likewise, if the application seems to be issue or if you still face an issue, then next what you want to do is actually you want to go ahead and exit out, locate settings on your device, and then go to the app section or just type in app on the search bar and locate HBO Max. When you locate HBO Max, you want to go to the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and then hold on to your side button to restart the device, and that should be able to fix your issue. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, then what next you want to do is actually try uninstalling the application and then reinstalling. That might be able to solve as well. So likewise, other than that, you could also try restarting the device or maybe checking your internet connection, and that should also be able to help. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.